Boom shakalaka, Bitcoin sellers exhausted. Why the best buying opportunity is coming soon. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin seller exhaustion and why the best buying opportunity is coming up. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, come join us on Twitter through Crypto Love, push that like button. Now today, Fear and Greed 38, down from yesterday's 39, going sideways for the past week. The overall market sideways, Bitcoin at 26,044, Ethereum at 1650, BNB at 217, XRP 51 cents, Cardano 25 cents, Dogecoin 6 cents, Solana $20, and Tron 7 cents. And Bitcoin still continuing to respect this orange line from the bottom to the fair value price of $40,000 at the halving, continuing in the upward direction. We can see down here on the bottom that Bitcoin is oversold on the RSI. Now, when we take a look, sellers are exhausted. Now, this is an interesting metric. Only 15 or so times in Bitcoin's entire history have sellers been exhausted, over a quarter of which we've already seen in 2023. This year, as Bitcoin becomes less available, we see velocity at a 3-year low. Now, this can be seen in two different ways. One, it could be seen as positive since whales are holding onto Bitcoin, or negative since it's not being transferred to new investors. As a matter of fact, right now, exchange balances are the lowest they have been since March of 2018. A number of years ago, almost 5 years ago at this point. And as they continue to drop, potentially it could send price dramatically higher. We can see here Bitcoin supporting this line right here, sitting on top of this line, that generally buying Bitcoin near that line or below it would be a generational buying opportunity. This would be a reminder that this is probably a very opportune time to buy Bitcoin. We also see that this metric based on block time, this is the coin blocks destroyed. We can see this downtrend right here, but buying anytime in this range historically has been great buy opportunities for Bitcoin, but there's even better buy opportunities coming up right now. Based on the rainbow price chart, Bitcoin is still sitting in fire sale territory. People are looking for the price to go lower. It may not, but right now, still fire sale territory. This is when you want to buy as much as you can before the price goes up. As we see, Bitcoin is sitting below the short-term holder realized price after spending most of the year above those levels. Right now, it is below once again the current level at 28,005. This level has acted as significant support during bull periods and resistance during bear periods. So we'll have to see how it plays out. But the second best buying opportunity of this cycle could be coming soon. So basically, cycle bottoms have come at the floor of the green buy zone in the RPV, the realized profits to value, for the past two cycles. We can see here in 2018 and here in 2015. Now, it's telling us that the bottom is currently in for this cycle if we see the repetition here, but there's some more good news. In both of these cycles, Bitcoin also offers a second chance for a great buy opportunity in the green zone before undertaking massive bull runs. This has happened in both cycles, circled in green. You can see pretty much buying close to the bottom. Bitcoin is almost at that point now, and it could be the best or second best buy opportunity for Bitcoin, because we may not actually head lower. If we take a look, the monthly close above the MA10 line has confirmed the start of a new bear market in previous cycles. We had that close above here already. Right now, we are just testing that trend line. Historically, we are already in a bull market, and channels starting the month after the low have been respected to the downside, and once close above, price has gone parabolic. So we can see that the monthly candle after the low, this channel has been respected in each previous cycle. Well, we have this channel where we are right now, the bottom of it at around $18,900, almost $20,000. But this should continue until we break out above parabolically. And for those looking for a bullish chart to end on, a little bull porn for the end of the episode for you, A 7-day on balance volume and Bitcoin show the features of collecting the momentum for the uptrend. This action is similar to the one in 2020. So in case you guys weren't around during this period, it was very boring. A lot of people had lost all motivation about the markets and it was just going sideways, basically price coiling up. We can see OBV, which is one of the few leading indicators for Bitcoin. You can see OBV going up actually before price goes up. Well, similar formation here on the bottom. We have another fractal of the OBV gaining momentum in progress, breaking that trend line, finding support there before eventually taking off. You should take a look, watch the OBV, because as soon as this starts taking off, Bitcoin is likely to follow suit. So that's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed it, push the like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.